In this video, you will learn how to use conditional formatting in ADONIS. Open the model of your choice. Click on the More button on the top of the editor. Select Color. Click here to enable coloring. Select the object type you want to color. Then, choose the attribute whose value determines how the objects will be colored. Now, your processes are colored according to their business value. Click on a color circle to change the color to your liking. Now, all the processes with low business value are shown in gray, instead of red. You can do the same with all the colors, and you can reverse them. Save the model so that other users can see the conditional formatting. Have a look at the ADONIS online help for more information.